In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off Tracker Blocker on Opera browser on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So Tracker Blocker enables you to give you an extra layer of protection each time you browse. This works by blocking any web page that tries to collect information from you whenever you browse. To turn this on and off, just log into your Opera browser and then head down to your profile icon here, and from here go to settings. If you tap on settings, now you can see we have Tracker Blocker, and currently it is disabled. So if you enable it, it will be enabled, or you can further just go ahead and tap on Tracker Blocker here to give you access to this page where you can turn it off or on from here. And here it will now start tracking and blocking any web page that tries to collect information from you. You can see here Tracker runs as scripts when you load a web page and collect information about your preferences. Blocking trackers helps to protect your privacy online. So that's how you can turn Tracker Blocker on or off on Opera app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.